New H Chipbreaker series for CBN inserts used in machining hardened material. The unique modeled Chipbreaker design provides excellent chip control during hard turning operations. 3 Chipbreaker styles are available to cover a wide range of hard machining applications. The HH Chipbreaker is designed with a wide main dot and 2 twin dots on the tip of the cutting edge to provide excellent chip control while machining. The result is better chip evacuation and even chip lengths. There is also a significant reduction in cutting force at the insert's edge. Customer tests have shown improved chip control and more than double the tool life when compared to competitor products. The HL Chipbreaker is recommended for workpieces below 55 HRC to ensure excellent chip control and low cutting forces. The third is the HD Chipbreaker. It is recommended for workpieces with hardened surface layers. Also, it maintains good chip control for softer interiors. A customer plate machining test showed superior chip control and 30% longer tool life when compared to the competitor's product. When faced with chip control complications, use the H-Series Chipbreakers to dramatically increase your productivity.